Welcome to a 2-minute overview of blendAPPS' latest and greatest edition, Shop Floor. Are you still printing off your batch tickets and entering the batch details on the production floor using pen and paper? Are you frustrated with poor penmanship and spending extra time entering details into NetSuite after the batch has been manufactured? Blend Shop Floor brings all of your batching activities out of the office to the production floor, where the work actually gets done. Shop Floor is a hardware-agnostic solution that works on any device with a modern web browser installed. You can use your top-of-the-line explosion-proof scanner gun, or you can use the smartphone you have in your back pocket. Use this interface to stage raw materials, build a batch, and if your account utilizes work in process, or WIP, you can do issues and completions with or without backflush, and of course, you can close a batch. Let's have a look. Clicking Print from your batch work order record in NetSuite will open up the work order PDF, where we can find 4 distinct QR codes which the user can scan with their device to open up the shop floor interface. Use your device to scan the Stage Components QR code at the top of the batch ticket to get the order started, or alternatively, you can open up the shop floor user interface in your browser, select Stage, and click on the batch work order. Go through the list of components, select lot numbers, enter quantities, and perform bin transfers while standing on the production floor next to the batch tank. Following the staging of raw materials, the batch is ready to be made. Once again, the user could use their scanning device while on the production floor for the issue and completion stage, as well as the closing of the batch. In this example, the user will utilize batch completion with backflush before closing the batch, and these steps won't be shown in the demonstration. Once the batch is closed, you'll see it drop off the list, and returning to this work order in NetSuite, we can find all related records, including related work orders, builds or issues if applicable, completions, and closes under the Batch tab. Note that NetSuite is being updated in real time as the scanner is being used on the production floor. This enables office employees to access these records through the click of a link without any handling of papers, minimizing potential delays. Well, this wraps up the tour of blendAPPS' shop floor interface. We have a number of other solutions available built to support process manufacturers using NetSuite. If you want to learn more, visit your SuiteApp store or our website to book a live demonstration with one of our solution consultants today.